The Pokemon await their trainer's orders. And now, the battle begins. Miss Magius protects itself. The red corner protects against the attack. The situation is a bit of a stalemate. It's a mental tug-of-war as they anticipate each other's moves. The red corner calls their Pokemon back. Houndoom is sent out. That's a hit this time. A heated battle is unfolding in the Coliseum. Houndoom protects itself. The red corner protects against the attack. The air in the Coliseum is tense. That's a hit this time. The sun's rays have suddenly intensified. Knockout hit. It went down. Mega is sent out. The blue corner has the lead when comparing the number of remaining Pokemon, but the battle has just begun. The blue corner calls their Pokemon back. Lucario is sent out. The move fails. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect to see next? Light White Storm! Taken down by an intense blow! The battle has reached its final stage, and the tension is peaking. The blue corner calls their Pokemon back. Porygon Z is sent out. The move fails. The results are in. The red corner has decided to give up.